Oo. No, we're not doing that. Are you done now? Yeah. Ayan, basta continuous na magtrabaho si Jelana, mayroon tayong trabaho. Buti na lang masipag magtrabaho si Jelana, oy. Be careful. Do this. Come on. I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, don't stay there, don't move. Okay, be careful on that one. Be careful. Did you hurt yourself? I didn't get it. Do it again. Say. Okay, so while you're doing that, can I clean this one? Ayan guys. Paano ba to? I'm just gonna do this one. While Jelana is doing that, be careful. I'm going to fix your stuff, and then after that, I clean this one. We can go inside. Ayan. Daming laruan guys. Every day, laro siya. Lalo na ngayon, vacation ng mga bata. So, it's vacation time. Are you jumping? Don't jump, okay? Be careful. Oh, Jelana. Ayan, naka tayo ngayon? Naka 1,000 na dikit. Sana all 1,000 sa isang live. No? Did you hurt yourself? Let me see. Don't hurt yourself. It's itchy. Go get the wipe and wipe your hand. Yan guys. So we're trying to clean this up so Jelana can play again. Where are you? Okay. Don't do that one. It's just... Well, let's clean this one first. Help me clean this up. Okay, we're not gonna open your gift. You wanna do your drawing while I'm cleaning this one? Okay, do your drawing. Huh? Do you wanna use your color then? Just use your color. Okay. Okay, okay. Oo. Thank you sa ating 800 subscriber today's live. Salamat guys. Please don't forget to watch the video of Jelana.